determine the least value of y for which 5 plus y is equal to 2 mod 7. This is an objective test, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The question wants us to determine the least value of y that will satisfy this equation. Since this is an objective test, I will substitute the values of y we have here into the equation and see which one will satisfy it. Let's begin with the first one, when y is equal to 6. When y is equal to 6, 5 plus y will become 5 plus 6, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So now we have to find the value of 11 in mod 7. The value of 11 in mod 7 is 4. Remember, the value of a number in a given modulus is the remainder you have after you have divided the number by the modulus. Here, when you divide 11 by 7, you are going to get 1 remainder 4. So the value of 11 in mod 7 is 4. As you can see, y is equal to 6 does not satisfy the equation, because from the equation 5 plus y should give us 2 in mod 7. But from here, when y is equal to 6, 5 plus y will give us 11, and 11 is giving us 4 in mod 7. So y is equal to 6 does not satisfy the equation. Let's move on to the next value of y, which is 5. When y is equal to 5, 5 plus y will be 5 plus 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. The value of 10 in mod 7 is 3. So as you can see from here too, y is equal to 5 does not satisfy the equation, because 5 plus y should give us 2 mod 7. Here, when y is equal to 5, 5 plus 5 will give us 10, and the value of 10 in mod 7 is giving us 3, not 2. Let's move on to the next one, which is when y is equal to 4. When y is equal to 4, 5 plus y becomes 5 plus 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. The value of 9 in mod 7 is 2. Because 9 divided by 7 will give us 1 remainder 2. So the value of 9 in mod 7 is 2. When y is equal to 4, the equation will be satisfied, because when y is equal to 4, 5 plus 4 will give us 9, and 9 in mod 7 will give us 2, which satisfies the equation. So y is equal to 4 satisfies the equation. Let's check and see if the last one also satisfies. That is when y is equal to 3. When y is equal to 3, 5 plus y becomes 5 plus 3, and 5 plus 3 will give us 8. The value of 8 in mod 7 is 1, because 8 divided by 7 is 1 remainder 1. So the value of 8 in mod 7 is 1. As you can see, y is equal to 3 does not satisfy the equation, because when y is equal to 3, our answer will be 1 in mod 7. The answer we are looking for is 2 in mod 7. So y is equal to 3 does not satisfy the equation. So we can see that the only y value that will satisfy the equation is 4. So the least value of y for which this equation will be true is 4. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is option C.